Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng, Upa Bitra Margherita, Haniga Sngi ke Arpuknai Tarik Risau Arjar Pesau Ulasam Yaki Shithi Thung kam, Shaki Arspa Nyongut Ginong Thep kam Hapo Rosgar Mela Shillong. Kaniga Jing Temu Kalong Shibenta Jong Jing Persyang ke Bakrau, Namar Bu Menteri Rang Badu Kari Unarendra Modi, Ulasam Ru Palat Sanpui Hajar Tali Ki Shithi Thung kam, Shaki Samla Badang Shutong Thamai, Hagaling Gitanat Bad Ki Shlem Traikam Baper, Haka Arpuknai Tarik Risau. Kaniga long ru kajing temu dak bapen skam kajing angnut jong ka Sorkar ban pentikna ba omdon menu basa dien ha kajing ya linti jong kari India syakaroi kapar menteri rang ba adu kari India Narendra Modi ula pentip ba ka Rosgar Mela ka pen iya kajing kular ban pen kubor ya baro kinong snong kamtam ya ki samla ban kentio ya karoi kapar jong kari India ula pen pauru ya kajinon kam ban wengno ya kajing mut jimper khat ka baong baya ka teknologi bamenta omla ban penroi hapo kari ka Rosgar Mela ka dega sin jam ka bakongsan ban walam ya ka roi kapar warlah bedeng ka jingbun brio jong kari India ka bailat eki samla jong kari banno senyang syaka roi kapar jong ka dak basa mi ki Shithi Thung kam ka Sorkar ka thmu amtang ban ai kam henrei ban penroi ru
Semewan Shan Jitem
Shri Rangadas Helper Srimati Shri Mahankala बहुत बहुत बधाई 2 दिन बाद हम सभी दीपावली का पर्व भी मनाएंगे और इस साल की दीपावली बहुत खास है, बहुत विशेष है। आपको होगा कि भाई दिवाली तो हर बार आती है, इस बार विशेष क्या हो गया? मैं बताता हूं विशेष क्या है। 500 वर्षों के बाद प्रभु श्री राम अयोध्या के अपने भव्य मंदिर में विराजमान है और उस भव्य मंदिर में विराजमान होने के बाद ये पहली दीपावली है और इस दीपावली की प्रतीक्षा में कई पीढ़ियां गुजर गई, लाखों लोगों ने बलिदान दिए, यातनाएं झेली। हम सभी बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हैं जो ऐसी विशेष खास भव्य दिवाली के साक्षी बनेंगे। उत्सव के इस माहौल में आज इस पवित्र पावन दिन रोजगार मेले में 51,000 नौजवानों को सरकारी नौकरी के नियुक्ति पत्र दिए जा रहे हैं।
Atmanirbhar Bharat guides us every step of the way. Through this Rozgar Mela, over 51,000 appointment letters will be distributed across the nation today. These young minds will enter diverse roles across ministries and departments, further fueling India's growth story. This is a commitment, a promise made by our Honorable Prime Minister that we will leave no one behind on this journey towards a developed and prosperous India. And as you begin your new journey, you will be supported every step of the way through the Karma Yogi Pranam program. Karma Yogi Prarabh program. This foundational training will ensure you are well equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your roles and serve our country with distinction. Here in Shillong, we are proud to celebrate this momentous occasion with the young achievers from not just Meghalaya, but across the 6 states of the Northeast, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and the Lamning Railway Division of Assam. This is a testament to the government's commitment to ensuring opportunities reach every corner of India, including our beautiful Northeast. A region that is brimming with talent, energy, and untapped potential. I'm thrilled to announce that through this Rozgar Mela, we are creating employment in 3 key sectors: posts, higher education, and railways, pillars of our nation's progress. In the Department of Posts, we are appointing 192 candidates, 114 men and 78 women, who will enhance postal services across our diverse regions. In higher education, we are proudly welcome a new assistant professor to MIT Meghalaya, where they will inspire and educate the next generation of innovators and leaders. And in the railways, we have appointed 15 dynamic individuals to critical roles. These recruits will ensure the smooth functioning of our railways, the very lifeblood of our nation's connectivity. But my dear friends, today, it's not just about appointments or statistics. It is about you. It is about your hard work, your perseverance, and your dreams. Today, you step into roles that carry immense responsibility. You are not just employees. You are ambassadors of our government's vision for India. Your integrity, your dedication, and commitment will be the foundation of our nation's growth, of our motherland India's growth. You are the torchbearer of a brighter tomorrow, and your service will inspire trust, foster development, and drive the dreams of Vikshit Bharat, a fully developed India. To all the candidates and their families who join us today, my heartiest congratulations. This is a moment of immense pride, not just for you, but for all of us as a nation. Let us move forward together, hand in hand, to build a future that is prosperous, inclusive, and filled with opportunity for every Indian. Congratulations to you and all the 51,000 ambassadors of our Mother India.